My baby is a bird. When you're in the sky, I'm hoping you'll return. What can I say? Do it right away. You are what you are, and I feel like a kid. You're so cute, my ladies on the birds. I'll be the one who ends up getting hurt. I can't help it, ladies on the birds. I'll be the one who ends up getting hurt. I'll be the one who ends up getting hurt. And when you land, curled up in my hands, feathers come and go. Oh, don't you understand? I need you now, and I miss you when the wings I fell in love with take you away again. You're so cute, my ladies on the birds. I'll be the one who ends up getting hurt. I can't help it, ladies on the birds. I'll be the one who ends up getting hurt. I'ma be out, I'll be your cloud, I'll be your guide of heaven. And see that so you'll be always. And know that you'll help them, baby, I can see. How can I be your crown, the one that doesn't have men? Worms that are all around. Should I hold more I can see that you feel left down. I'm scared that you always will, but you're not the only one who's afraid of losing something. My baby is a bird. When you're in the sky, I'm hoping you'll return. What can I say? Do it right away. You are what you are, and I feel like a kid. You're so cute, my ladies on the birds. I'll be the one who ends up getting hurt. I can't help it, ladies on the birds. I'll be the one who ends up getting hurt. My baby is a bird. When you're in the sky, I'm hoping you'll return. What can I say? Do it right away. You are what you are, and I feel like a kid. You're so cute, my ladies on the birds. I'll be the one who ends up getting hurt. I can't help it, ladies on the birds. I'll be the one who ends up getting hurt. I'll be the one who ends up getting hurt. And when you land, curled up in my hands, feathers come and go. Oh, don't you understand? I need you now, and I miss you when the wings I fell in love with take you away again. You're so cute, my ladies on the birds. I'll be the one who ends up getting hurt. I can't help it, ladies on the birds. I'll be the one who ends up getting hurt. How can I be your crown, the one that doesn't have men? Arms that are all around. Should I hold more I can see that you feel let down. I'm scared that you always fail, but you're not the only one who's afraid of losing something. You're so cute, my ladies on the birds. I'll be the one who ends up getting hurt. I can't help it.